Yeah, welcome to JAMMIWOOD Entertainment TV, and this is your host Popeye. Welcome, guys. Me tell you say, if you're the first time to this channel, subscribe. Even if I don't know first time, share it to the young, to the old, to the in between, to all the madman on the road, because you know say we care for everybody. Everybody is the same. We are one blood. No matter how your color look different, like see, we are three different color here, but we are one blood. We don't discriminate no one. So remember, subscribe, like, share, and this is the first part of the movie. And looking forward for more. The more you share, the more you get. Remember, me tell you this, Popeye, one thing, one love. Don't text me. When I come in the boat, I want to swim around for the Sunday. You know what I mean?
Yeah, cooking on the Sunday. A long time cooking, I made all I cooking.
Anything can go on, man. Worry yourself too much, man. Worry yourself too much. Cooking can go on, man. So, you're good though?
Yeah. There.
You see, I'm a daughter.
Let's talk about that. Don't worry about that. When I come back, that gone.
You clean up here?
Then I must.
Alright, car. Maybe have a woman and a warmonger, Lord of God. She turned the place upside down. You buy one black fridge, the fridge become brown. Wow. You know you can't see dirt from black. It's my time the fridge look white. The way dust upon it. You see when the yeah, I'm not going night too much. See how the curtain, I'll be a silence that killing me. The fan, that God, but the knocky. The amount of dust that come out of it. Cobweb almost take me out of the room. That's why I buy the spider shorts because I'm used to web. Be a web in my room, you I feel like I'm a Spider-Man. Every corner I can catch Spanish now. Some big up. You think I joke? Oh, by the way, I'm so glad you come. Cleanness, I like it. You know what I mean? That with you. Clean.
Yeah.
Enjoy yourself, Nadia.
Later.
Alright. Look like the shop open later. Good business going on. You know, easy. Oh, you're so sexual. When we meet, you never answer, you know? Look at me just open up one whole thing of sexuality.
But you know, you started to know that I'm like you're innocent. You're not all innocent in this, you know.
What? If me say all night, you say tomorrow too. You want to pat me down. Alright, now go for my bike, get to swim around.
Yeah.
See if we can get some okra. Because we could have nice up a thing, some steamed fish and crackers and some blend juice, you know what I mean?
That sounds great.
Yeah man, that's what I deal with. Some carrot, can I get some carrot with some carrot juice. We can simmer down for later and night.
I know later I go.
Yeah man, you know where I go. So I'm going to get that and come back.
Yeah.
If nobody, if one big old cow come here, like so, build my life. Stay on her good side, but she can't lick you because she will go to jail.
Because the last female I have here, she put her hand on her and she get locked up there a little bit.
Yeah.
But the one is a restraining order compared to Sunday. So if you carry the baby over, she allowed to carry the baby over, but she not allowed to come over here. Come be physical with nobody. If just in case I feel threatened by her by no means are necessary, and she come here, you text, knock her. Just look for something, don't try to carry your hand, you know. The hand will pop.
Yeah.
You get something. Don't use the slippers because they will pop up. You have to look for something big. Like this you throw it on her and run. Just throw it on her. She go broke through it, but by the time she broke through it, you can lock up in the sun. You understand? And then we the iron run and lock up because you can't fast. In slow though, not alone. In slow. So you can escape. Alright. Anyway, back up on the road because you them text me. Say when you both going and I run jazz down there. Forget 5 pole and swim around. Alright? Soon come.
Later.
Alright.
Hello, how may I help you? Hello. Hi, how may I help you?
Yeah, man, you sit on man, nothing wrong. Sit on, no, where you get up for?
No, because you just barging. No, good afternoon. You just barging and.
No, man, me used to live at you know, me a fair baby mother. So I can't just come as me feel like.
No, you can't do that. Unless you work with baby guidelines and the rules up here change. No, up here we have to deal with each other with respect. You can't just barge them a personal space like
The
that.
reason I come over here is because my daughter tell me say, my father have new gal up here. So I come
New
come
woman,
look,
correction.
new gal up here. So I come look. I who up here come, you know, one time my picnic come over here, you know. My picnic I get no bangers over here, you know. I come look at who my picnic
Alright, here's
with.
what. If we're gonna have any form of communication, we're gonna need to deal with each other with respect. Otherwise, we don't know other language. So,
Already. Where's the 1 year respect?
so let me know when you're ready to talk to me.
1 year respect.
Let me know when you're ready for my mind there.
May I ask you a question? What name respect?
When you talk to people in a certain manner.
I don't know what manner. Anyway, I used to, here's what I'm going. I used to beat up the girl over there. The girl in here, you know. I beat them off, you know.
What do you do?
I beat them off wickedly. That's why I have to take out restraining order against me. Beat them off. So, I just try to calm myself now because it's a cheaper. I don't want this time and a restraining order and take out against me. You stop my pick. You want my pick me fine and everything. But we just want to know who they over here.
How many over here?
Just make sure you don't touch my picnic. You feel like it too, though. If you like, just get up and tip in your conscience. But you go away for one good. I kind of feel good today, so you know,
Yeah.
that place because the demon them in me, I try to talk. Have a nice day, you just not touch my picnic.
And you're no longer welcome. Don't come back. Not with that attitude. When you change your attitude, you can't come back. Bye.
Why you can't scale off fish and babes? I'm trying to carry on a back. Oh, what is a puff like this? Acha, get few wenchman, a few snapper, few front. Alright, I put them on your scale. Because I have extra money for scale. Now come.
Yeah, I'm scale them.
Now come.
They don't look bad at all. You can't go on.
We set the pipe on.
Alright.
When you get here. Me and Rado. I'll play that now though. So anyway. Let us come on for down there. Yo, what people don't know how to fish?
Mm-hmm. You shouldn't hide him, man.
Where are you? Where are you from again?
Yeah, baby, the one who said. Guess who come over there?
Oh, come over.
Same funny way one about. You enough broad back baby mother.
I must not call me, I know.
You know, so.
Oh, must not call me, no. What one? Alright. Me you say you come here, you know. Me you say you come here. Oh, you come in peace though. At least not some woman that peace is. That means say, oh no good then. Yeah, well, that's she there, man. I'm myself on the last, me not there again, you know. Me not looking at your shop or anything, so me ain't not there again. So, how my daughter do? And my daughter can come by here? Alright, you like, oh, you know like her and this and that already. You don't know if she look. Well, she look when somewhere cut her for you. No go so. Lie I tell. My woman doing something there. She don't make trouble. Yeah man, but is she there now though? When the baby come and she go stay with me there, do a normal procedure. For a month, me not there again. Alright, you do. Yeah man, we tell something see baby. Alright, now got some man, we buy something like this. Alright. God. It's when no, she has gone back no matter what. You know? She say why me choose you. And she's so flow lumps in us. And you so thin and thick. Thin like a piece of stick.
But you love me just the way I am, so
Yes.
problem.
Yeah, I didn't love her just the way she are too. But she just too fighty.
She's jealous.
Can't there with no girl that go and beat her and I. And then want to kill her, you know?
She's very jealous. She's jealous of it and she really happy.
Yeah man, but anyway, that good. I want to shower.
You seem really happy and that one hour. Why don't you shower, babe?
Come on. She never love shower, that never let the relationship work. Come
So you can like, babe?
Huh?
And Sophia Steve.
What?
I love war, so she can't wear when she's sweater.
What are you in there? Both on the place and door.
Hold on, me tell. When the carrot will come. You have to use the mouth. But I think sometimes I need it sometimes.
Yeah, pepper, yeah. Everything there.
Yeah, babe. Babe, come on here to the carrot will come.
Me I come.
And then again. Here, phone I ring.
Yeah, what one? Yeah, we soon come in, man. We soon come in. Yeah, man, what's that to gift to man? What's that to gift? Yeah, play. Yeah, man, we soon come in, pan. We soon come in, pan in live. Yeah. Yeah, man. Big league. Yeah, more load. I next phone me I try load. More load the phone. Yeah. Alright. We have to hear your call still. But we did the phone call and I try to organize up the team. Because I TikTok time today an idea. I just want TikTok from up on the work. You know what I mean? So I'm going to send me niggas some gift. You know what I mean? I think how we know team match. We can go do the same for me. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but my know you go hard with them gift sending gift stuff there because you can't waste some money and something.
I know waste some money, man.
TikTok from where there.
You want to
TikTok? What is TikTok?
TikTok is as a platform where you can do things on it, can have fun on it, you can make money on it. So if you have a team, just like football match. You have to play football who have the most points win. So something like that we are doing right now. You understand what I mean? So I have my account, the account just start and things. So this me up and I try to build up it. We catch more than we have about 1,000 people we can go live. No, we can go live. We have about 3,000 now. So when you go work and when you go tell your friends them to follow me. One fire ras. Just write in one
Fire.
and then fire and then ras. And then you find from TikTok and tell them something. Send me some gift too. You know what I mean? Because the gift go help. Push forward.
I'm not really run for that whole TikTok something. Just be careful about that in the community.
Just believe in me, man. Just believe. Right?
Anything you say?
Just believe.
Anything you say, TikTok.
Alright. When you put on the tattoo, you say tattoo go make you look better. I believe in you. But even when I work,
How tattoo coming at this? I don't know how tattoo
you say you believe so you go feel
When you say you
better.
want to eat, when you say you want to eat.
When you go line up, you pull out cabbage yourself
Cabbage up
and one
and
color look and saltfish.
Alright, call over there, so.
And saltfish.
Me and sort out that.
You know, say you're not too good for the dumpling already, you call me, we roll the dumpling
Well, I
for
come
you.
embarrass.
Alright, so you have rice yourself, right?
Yeah, come on,
Alright.
you don't really like the rice.
Alright, so just look for that for me, alright?
Alright, got you.
Just believe in me, man. I
I
definitely
just
believe.
not feel the TikTok thing.
I say just believe in me, anything you see me I do. So just believe in me, man. Watch out, phone a rim! Phone a rim! Yeah. He them man mash up last night, man. Yo, may I tell you about, yo. Give thanks to the wheel them. You see how the chain, when they have a chain for my head, yo. What you said for me, you might get a piece of food, you know. I don't piece of food. Because I see match, that big match there, me think so that match go set with. We go rank, another one there, top ranking. Watch us go on. Yeah, man. My new team, actually, my new team. I never know about the double up on them today. Just say a word, man, but yo, there's some real gift we have some real people on the team, you know. Know yourself, man. Me a shoot him to them, and I may a shoot him. Just shot me a while ago. Me a shoot him, man. She link me to man, I shoot for her too, but I later for her, man. But that man have a match in the next hour.
Hey man, I kill somebody now, we are shoot.
No, I'm like that, man. I game.
Oh.
I'm not shoot nothing, man.
Alright.
When I'm done shoot this, I can give a back shot.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, man, you get that. You know, say you love that, you know. A woman may talk to bomb. Yo, come out and business now. You love run jokes, so yeah. Sarah, body enough. Ah.
Guys, I know you guys, stop the screen. We can't make a rest of my name, you know. Stop the screen, my side. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, one king. Big up yourself. Big up, yeah, man.
Time will tell. Sing there in heaven.
Yeah, man, my side. Come on, top of the screen. Thank everybody for like up the live. I mute a man because I don't like my sing too much. I don't really know singer.
Right, top of the screen.
Come on, my side, top of the screen, guys. Sending some gifts in the line. We can't make it impossible, guys. Top of the screen, guys. Power tap, guys.
Burn it down. Let's
Power
go.
tap, guys. Power tap, my side. Power tap. Power tap, guys.
Top the screen. Somebody send me one gift. Somebody send me one lion. Send me a lion. Send me a wheel. Send me a chain. Send me a hand. Just send me something. Let me see something. This is live and direct. Send I something. Top screen. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go, my side. Let's go. I sabotage me can't see me gift to them. Burn it down. Burn it down. Dan, big up yourself. Burn it down to the gong. Like up alive. Use a 8.
Come on, my side. Power tap, guys. Power tap. Shoot me a shoot. Live. Everybody who top of the screen, big up yourself. See, I'm here. Everybody who just check in, big up on yourself. Tiana Excel, big up yourself. Come in, guys, sending some gifts now. What the gifters them there? Come on, guys. Gifts. Want some gifts to come in and out. Snipe my side. Snipe everybody who just joined. Welcome, see me. Everybody who are top, big up on yourself, see me. No, we are in nigger today. Guys, in their 30, I'm passing back. Power top, guys. Power top in their 30. We can't make him win. We can't make him win. Listen me, guys. We cannot make him win. Power top, guys. Power top. Power top. Who is Casey? Power top. Thank you for liking the live. I see you. Everybody will like the live. See you. Power top, guys. Power top. Power top, my side. We can't make it dread win, guys. We can't make it dread win. Power top, guys. Power top, my side. We don't make it dread win today. Power top, guys. I mean something that. Power top, guys. We can't make it dread.
Go on my side. Yo, you follow Greg. Go up on Greg page and follow him. I really do. Burn it down to the ground. Let's go. Brown, you can't win one Brown, no problem. Oh, snipe. You sniper now. Snipe. No, keep winning one now. Come on. Snipe. Sniper now. Snipe. What's sniper now? For the last minute. What's sniper now? Yeah. Watch out. Lion. See lion there? No lion. No, not coming through. Alright, that was a good one. Burn it down to the ground. That's a good match. I want there.
I said, me and him can in the same place. Power top, guys. Power top. Let's go, guys. Come in. Power top, guys.
Yeah, man, take and go to it. Yeah, man, give that. Greg, pick up yourself. Go follow Greg. You know what I mean? Take back. Follow him. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Hello, Trey. You know, some of the pan live now, my chicken pan live because we just lose one match and we can't lose them, so I need to come and send me some gifts. Yeah, man, please and thank you. Alright.
My side.
I'm glad that
Share big links, Yeah, what was that, Greg? You know what I'm saying? Greg Bama.
Oh, Tracy, be the pan live. Please come pan live right now, please. Alright. Come on, my side. Power top, guys. No, so how you going so far? Power top, my side. Let me give guys them there. Come on, my side. Power top, guys. Power top. When we give us them, let's not give us them yet. We can't.
Burn it down. Greg, big up yourself. Burn it down to the ground. J. Hines, big up yourself. Burn it down to the ground. Where they are going short. Browning your name. Browning. Golden. Yeah, Golden she name. Yeah, she in a movie. Alright, babes, come give me some luck there, babes. Come give me some luck there. Can you still not believe in I, but come give man some luck. Come fast, guys. She gonna snipe. Come, babe. Come. You can't make come. Yeah, cook, come. That's why you want to look a hug. Alright, watch it. Alright, see there? Alright, that there? That's a luck. That is luck. A real man can't live without a woman. Let's go, my side. Let's go. Big up all them gift to them. Chipper. Big up. Burn it down to the ground. Pop Queen. Big up yourself. Burn it down to the ground. Killer Pro. Killy Pro. Big up yourself. Burn it down to the ground. Crime Lad. Big up yourself. Burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Take and go the way you go. Yeah, man. Burn it down to the ground. Bless up. Burn it down. Welcome to it. And let's go. Let's go with up on the last lap. She gonna snipe, She call her boyfriend. Let's go. Yeah, man. Big up Crime Lad. J. Hines. Triple D. Greg Bam. Big up. Follow them. Follow all them gifts to them. Shoot now. You love match too much. All them gift to them, yes. Thank you for coming out. You know what I mean? Yeah, burn it down to the ground. You take what you take and you go do it. The Crime Lord, the whole network. Follow everybody when I say follow them. From Crime Lord, go straight through. Follow them. From the TikToker. You know what I mean? All of Killy Pro, follow everybody. When you follow them, go and follow them up. You know what I mean? Queen, big up yourself, burn it down to the ground. You know it go. Burn it down. Ed. Burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Give thanks. Greg Bama. Big up yourself. Burn it down to the ground with general. You know what I mean? Take what you can go do what you do. We work, we try to put the best foot forward, we try to be as realistic as possible. You know what I mean? That's how we do movie. Realistic, reality is everything, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Yeah man. Burn it down to the ground. Yeah man, bless up. Big up all I'm gift to them. Burn it down to the ground. Take what you can go do. Go. This is the final match we go do. So I have to do the last video in Planet. You know what I mean? So let's go. Action. Yeah man, let's go. Burn it down, burn it down. Big up all I'm gift to them. Greg Bama, bless myself, burn it down to the ground. Juan Williams, burn it down to the ground. Nick, big up yourself, burn it down to the ground. The body upon the live, bless upon yourself, welcome, welcome. Give thanks to liking up the live, big thanks for joining the live too, you know what I mean? Take what you take. Frost Bass, TV, burn it down, we have some man. My number upon the extra, upon the cover so you can get your knock and we can figure out.
Guys, big up on yourself. Yes, man. Come on, guys. We can't make you rich back in the guys. We can't make you dread rich. Guys, we can't make you dread rich back in the guys. Power tap my side. Power tap. Listen to everybody for the live. I want to hold up on the screen and tap it up. Tap it up. Because you know that fire can't win this last match. You understand? Everybody will like to live. Big up on yourself. Come on, my side. We need to win this match. We need to win it. How much fire pass me out? Come on, guys. Power tap, guys. Fire they are 24 in the 2-4. Come on, my side. Power tap, guys. We need to power tap. I need to tap up the screen. Tap up the screen, guys. Tap the screen. I want to make the dread this up for no sir. We tell them that dread have gifters over there, guys. We have to there for and then we can't make him rich. Fire, lucky, fire. Why are you so lucky?
Let's go.
Come on my side, power tap. Power tap, guys. We now watch that. Lingering, guys. Welcome, guys. Power tap, guys. Come on, guys. We can catch him up. We can catch him back. That is it, my side. We can catch him back. Never tell you, guys. We can catch him back. Come on, guys. Power tap, guys. Come, the girl, them eyes. Come on my side. Power tap, guys. Come on, who was me no sniper? Are you have sniper over there, guys? You have gift cash, welcome, you have gifters over there, guys. You can't kill with me. Come on, guys. Guys, you have gifters over there, we can't make you with me. Come on, my side, want to hold on the screen and tap, guys, tap.
Let's go.
Come on, guys, you must have so liar, tap over here, guys. Power tap, guys.
Yeah man, yes my side. Yes my side. Let's go my side. Let's go. Let's go my side. Yeah man, we're in our final lap now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Maybe I win for me.
Yeah, let's try to win. Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Look, we know the match. Let's go. She can't like people that we know. Watch her go on now. Yeah, burn it down, burn it down, burn it down, burn it down, burn it down. Let's go, burn it down to the ground. See that near, you know? See that near? Greg, pick up yourself. Burn it down, burn it down, burn it down, burn it down. Burn it down. Enough respect. Burn it down, burn it down. Enough respect, enough respect, enough respect. Burn it down to the ground. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Thanks to the winnings, you know what I mean? Give thanks to all them.
I'm rich, I'm calling. I'm supposed to be already, you know? You know, I'm supposed to be able live. Oh, Friday. Alright. You're supposed to go live already. You're supposed to be live. You know, I must stop everything, you know. I must stop everything right now. Yes, Kerry, I'm going to be alive now shortly. You know, I'm going to recharge to send you some more gifts when we go back on live. You understand? Because it's not my card I'm using, it's my husband's card I'm using, okay? So yeah. Call me here with fire, man. Supposed to be live already, you know? I want you. You get you, God. Sorry, come in.
Oh, man.
Did you want to talk to you about something, you know?
Yeah, man. I used to have one now.
Alright, big up. Me know say you're famous on TikTok. Me I get famous too. So here I go. You have a proposition to make.
What kind of proposition that?
You shoot for me and me shoot for you. Because I have a car loaded of cash right now. We
Yeah,
can sell it.
I had a reload something too. You understand? Because one of my virgin men that do that already still.
Oh.
Shoot for me, shoot for you. You understand? In that a loyal to deal with.
Yeah, man,
So
liar.
that's why I say, you know, run with me. Because I don't want me a shoot for you. And you know, do it right. You know?
No man husband car the in there, so me left him carry me. Him
So,
not,
unless you with you?
yes, him not carry me car go now. Yeah, me controlling money, everything. You understand? And he loaded right now. So me I will go match now few. So like me can't send a lion and wheel and them something there. And me I expect you to send back the same thing.
That's money going all of them big.
Yeah, so it's 50-50.
So nobody said no look rose and
No, road, no, I said no rose there. That was just like $1, $2, no matter.
You go do it right, man.
So yeah, go
I must say a TikTok, I live for a fine, I pay me.
and my cousin introduced me to it and from that.
Me I tell you.
About almost a year now, me I do life. And we still can't reach. We still can't get a big university and then something about. So
Alright,
much
so
here.
if you live my life, me have my other photos, me live
And me a friend.
shoot.
Yeah, so we said, me I go live.
Make
Alright.
me add it to my art list, man.
Oh,
So once I
okay.
go live, me get it.
Okay.
So just let me know.
Yeah man, big up.
Alright, so
Alright.
give yourself there.
Yeah man.
Alright.
Babes. No, I'm only for you with something.
Backside.
Oh.
Until you realize the time I'm most of fun. You gotta work, you know. Listen, man. I don't have no money, you know. I don't get no pay. I don't get no pay, man. I get pay, I can get 1,000, man. I already said, I go beat and come out there. No, but I be.
Yeah?
Come late.
Yeah man, I don't care. Take care man.
No, but I be. No, at all. See you, brother.
See about your ears.
Pass my phone.
Yeah, if you want.
Alright.
Yeah, later.
Okay. Where are you? You didn't. You
Um,
just can buy the same time.
Let's buy 2 pound of chicken can come.
Alright.
Well going Susie. You know see how much money me want to borrow. But you never have money yet. I just want 5 grand, not much. No, till next week man. No, how me if you wait till next month? Me want the money now. You want me wait till next month? You know later. Time to go live. Oh. Oh my. Six, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 7, 3, 7, 89, 89. Oh, babe, so like what in no money, no money. No money this for your card. Alright, this is no money, I have money for your card. Free to call you too long. man, guys, I'm waiting for some people they want to come in from school. I can't go on live and it's me early because they came my boyfriend come for work. Yeah, I'm supposed to have a cook for me and I want some. A tree whole home up on the life, I know. Amount of gifts me send out and something, send out more than how I receive. Yeah, because if me and want you dash play a match, and me have to send him some gift or so. So me have to look for my boyfriend to come down because I go cook for you and you know how him stay. When him come in and ask me for no phone, he want full attention. Yeah. Yes. Everything good though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll talk to you later, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. What?
You don't see me cat. Some morning, this morning I go for buy lunch, me all hungry. I can't find my cat in my wallet.
You remember say the last time that you took out the wallet and slept on the bed? You go to jump on the bed. Wait, let me see that bed.
Me take out my cat last night.
You see it? Babe, see your card here, you want to touch it. See your card here, so. You remember when I search for some papers? You remember, but me remember though.
Man, let me just stress out. Yo, no, I did that before get back. This cat now.
So look, you think your name last. That's why you have to left you with me at daytime and so.
Oh boy. I can't buy myself cooking. Because I'm going there and I have my cat and I have to shame to walk outside. So I'm go there to buy something.
So what's the lucky thing say? I hear say they post they left in a taxi or somewhere.
Then they use all my money.
So what am I going to do? I'm going to cook the bully beef.
Yeah, do that tell the car right there, just cook that.
So how
So
would
I
you
don't
do?
know if I know, so I can't more and trim and can't trim. You know how I look?
You can't use scissors and trim.
Trim.
Me you? No, brother, I'm cooking the bully beef and rice. I like you're hungry.
Yeah, man, I'm tired, man. Oh boy.
Come on, babes.
Me got place to go buy it now a while ago. Pharmacy. I know them a tell me say, me card decline. Me say, try back, me card decline. Then when me guy bank now pushing me card, me see XYZ and say, this come off and yo, you have credit? You have credit?
You know
say,
right, you know say, don't in a car now. You know say, other day, my friend them and make the same complain and say how much money I come off for them card. You like bank a thief their money, you know, babes.
Yo, you know how much money come off from the card?
Look how you say, boy, babes, you put the money in a bank and gone. So who is you to feel your money come off? You have to call no bank, babes. This happens to everybody.
But me already to take out my money, you know, hard work for money.
Look how hard you see it, boy, what for feel money, how much millions come off.
Yo.
He don't get it back, he didn't even get back your whole life. So, babes, if they take so much money from you, say about other people, who is you to they take all the chop change?
You see, that's why you put me for open bank account, you know. You. And see then now my money gone.
Call them if you want to call them, babes. But they tell us say, they now give you back the money. They now give you back the money.
You tell the honest truth.
See, for they can call them, babes. They now give back the money. Remember I'm telling you that, because you say, boy.
The phone don't ring all long, you know. Me I call them, I say, I put it down, it ring in the city, they don't answer.
Babes, you don't know where it goes, but all you have to just keep up money for your card. Just keep up money for your card, see me, because they don't have to take care of
me not put no more money on there. Because if take 40,000, me put more money, what much amount there?
Listen me.
Me not put nothing more on there.
Listen me, I know you alone want money and get thief. Be friend, you know Angela, where work at Riot.
Hello? Yeah, good afternoon.
money missing off my card and I don't know how that I'm not spending them the money there. And the money come off my card. Russian Brown. 6033. Yeah, 4 digit shop. Alright, looking at it because I don't understand what going on here. So. Me not really. Yeah, man, me calm down.
Calm down. They're not comparing to you.
Oh. Yeah, I'm here. TikTok. Who spend money? Me not spend no money on TikTok. How money for come off gone on TikTok? And me not spend a dime on TikTok. So you can't see who we go to. Listen me, you have to lock down this card there now. When me get a new card, right? Because me don't know about TikTok business. Me don't know nothing about them sitting there. Yeah, just lock it down. And me can't get back the money because me don't know about it. And me have my card for me. And me sure know my woman and a thief. Yeah. 9 business days. Or coming to the... Alright. I'm coming tomorrow. Alright, thank you. Babe.
Yeah?
So, the man said my money, somebody use my card on TikTok.
TikTok?
TikTok, my card they use pan.
A good
How
day
the
there.
hell somebody get my card for use pan TikTok?
Babes, you see the bank tell the local bank you can't trust them. You see them, they get what control the money. Them take off it dollar by dollar and spend it on TikTok. Here, I want something where I want my friend that tell me. I want something where you can meet people and something. I don't know.
What, TikTok?
Yeah. Me not use this.
I don't know about them sitting
Me
there.
don't know about this neither. Go and clean ya, man.
You know I made that at me right now.
So they say, you can't get it back?
Me don't know man for going tomorrow and then me find out about that.
Babes, but don't make secret that you have to put money for your card because if you have money here, you know, so they can come and rob you and we don't want that. So you better have it for your card.
Go over the bed now. If me had sit down on the bed with my dirty clothes.
Oh, you see it there? So hold on there. As some here really live.
What you talking about?
What you mean?
Calm down, man. What you talking about? Calm down now. What you want to?
After Virgin, after me make a deal, we come to a point where we say, alright, me I go shoot for you and you shoot for me. And me dey on live. And me a call you, all me a call you, Poppy Dan.
Listen what I'm going to do. I'm really sorry about all of that. You see me? I don't know, I end up in a sticky situation. I go around with money and I lose all of my money out. So right now, I can't even know right now.
So wait there. How that is my problem? You did the pan live, I take you all of the lion there, but I will last. No, you don't set up for my credit card, I'm a man credit card. And that problem when you find out, you know. Me expect for you get back so lion that way so I can get back a money for the card. Eh? How about you did that take me lion that way, them are well, alright. But when it comes to it kind of, you say back, you say, you don't give me. Eh? We can't believe you somebody live.
I'll make up your back, man. Don't worry yourself.
Why you make up your back? And you catch up on here now.
If you get the money as soon as possible, I'm getting just count your money.
You try, anyway if you get it back, you try to get it back. If I have to put back your money.
You know if you go live, I know.
What you mean? I see your company live after me done, so that means say you watch it then.
No man, more while me I just look at something now with phone on TikTok, so I be just jump on the live. You see me and I make up on the live, man.
You see you know say like I didn't know say I saw your turn. Me would go and make say me and you go live together. And we are shoot each other. Me no friend, no come boom off my face.
No, me not boom off your face, bro. Yo, look at me, man. Me make up about you. Me make up.
You try and make sure you take my money in a puppy.
Build up an argument, no money for me.
You don't even know how I'm cross right now.
Yo, what?
So school good today?
Yeah.
Alright, your mother, so we could keep her for a minute. She soon return for herself. Alright?
Hey, how are you? How's school today?
Good.
Here we go one now. Our mother, no reach home, met our mother, the panel look at thing I deal with it. So what we do now, Mr. Hold her for a minute and then our no care get our mother by time. But me have got to deal with something with her and come back here. So I'm left her with in her care.
Okay, okay.
Watch her, you know, because she touches and she moves around the place very fast and swiftly.
Yeah.
Alright, girl, what you doing this now? What you doing so? You mash up the seat, you just come, just 1 minute you mash up already. You see her? This is trouble. Anyway.
And also baby stay, but anyways, we cook some food for you, babe. You know what the food?
No, when we come back. Here?
Alright,
come back.
Baby safe from around now.
Behave yourself, you hear me?
Yeah.
I soon come.
My phone ring.
Where have been a bathroom?
I'll be right over there and doing something. Leo? Leo? Leo, man. Leo? Oh, but watch out. When you touch your pot, you can't do that, baby. When you touch your pot, next time you touch your pot, you cannot do that. Next time you do that. Good.
Tell me, Mom.
Well, I'm going to tell her next time you do that. See, if extra stop you, you were being rude. You were being very, very rude. You could have gotten hurt while you were doing that. But me never come around there, but that turn over and burn you up. You were rude.
Yeah man, just reach back a yard, me a carry baby come man. It's a backside, you're too miserable man. That's why I should have died for attempts in a warmonger, you know. Come, your mother come. Thanks keeper, here.
Alright then, that's all.
What for you? You alright? Yeah. You have potential to be anything you want to be. You want to be pilot, look for me. You can be pilot. You don't want you be like your mother doing, your mother a warmonger. Every little thing I just fight, you want to fight. See your opinion?
So how long if you can pick come give me?
Later. Here?
So what's she back there?
Today, she leave it locked up in the school. And we can't go in the school.
Me not talk about the school bag. Me don't tell us more want some things here. Where she back there?
Oh, later man, later.
Alright.
My girlfriend buy something here about.
So, me never ask about your girlfriend.
Alright.
What? How was school?
Good.
School was good.
Yeah.
Come take off your uniform. Come. Turn around.
What is that now?
No, put it on back. I'm very reaching. I can't take off now, man. Alright. Come here. You know, you still go to school tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah, because tomorrow I'm always there.
Tomorrow, boys day.
Yeah.
So how if me never tell you I got school, you tell me say boys day tomorrow. How do your head? Why your head look so?
Huh?
Why your head?
I know.
I know.
No.
Alright.
Me no want to go back over daddy because daddy woman leave me.
What? Lick your win.
Stay there evening, mommy.
What you saying? So we cannot tell me this for yesterday. You know what? Put on back your hat. Raina Drew, come on. I'm gonna leave you over Miss Jennifer. Come on, come on. I get it right. Hello. Oh, come on, that's to me. Come on, that's to me. And you girl, I want to you girl. We come with the loud nice, so what problem?
Oh, my picnic tell me say you liquor. Put on my phone. Oh, my picnic they tell me say you liquor.
Because this took serious, girl. You're not coming on no manner, girl.
Oi, yes, when you come out to my picnic, there's no manner, no respect, no manners, nothing.
Girl, I'm never
You understand?
picnic, girl. Me wait.
Well, let me far.
Me wait until they don't talk.
Hello,
You
miss,
don't
are you
talk?
me a chat to?
Me and little girl in the kitchen, little girl almost turned over a hot boiling pot for herself. I'm surprised for her hand and say, you can't do that.
Oh,
do that
so,
again.
are you the good in the hospital, go lay down and push
But
her
I'm a
out?
mother too, so what you
What's
mean?
mother? Wait,
I am a mother.
Wait, you see alright?
Nice, clean, good body mother. What you mean?
Girl, come here, you let me pick me. Watch me, are you? Oh, girl. You want to hold me? Let me pick me for girl. Girl, let me pick me for. Let me pick me for girl. Let me pick me for. Move for yourself. Put your hand for me pick next time. 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 Watch me, are you? Bright.
Girl, at 1,000 followers, me reach on TikTok now. That means that when me go on live, I want to go on my TikTok. And when me go on live, you shoot for me with your car. See, same like how you shoot for puppy, so I want you shoot for me, girl.
Take them and talk. The man, you can't send it to gifts, man. The hell is me a friend and for me I come
We
from.
reach 1,000 followers and now.
And me tell her say, don't worry about gifts. Gifts are least. Because you know say me and that the boy they want arrangement to make. That's why me shoot for him and him shoot for me. But TikTok has gone good, me not lie.
Well, I want you to use the car and shoot for me.
Yeah man, of course. Me
Yes.
make you get much further than 1,000.
Yeah.
Alright, so you see me tell you how you do it now. It's when you join the match, and as you join the match, just call me. You go wait till you reach like 30 seconds and start snipe you, see them beer, perfume, and donut and this and that.
I'm more lion to, you know, come know you have money like that.
Look here. Me only send that the lion because I was send me back the lion and they wheel them.
So when me reach fan top, me can't help you out back same way.
No, me only make that arrangement for him send me gifts and me send.
You.
Are we applying for that like that, fam?
You have me a go at the bank. And you know say you are use my card.
What?
You know say you...
I think card I use. Hey, you babes.
You know say you are use my card.
Babes.
And you have me a go along a bank
So
like
girl,
a
we never go say how your boyfriend card I
Me
use.
chat too much. That nice. Babes, me did not tell you.
No babes me.
Me not
Go
tell you.
pack up your thing them.
Me not tell you.
Pack
You know
up
what?
your things them and leave me place.
Later.
Pack up. You see if I make my cup. You see uno woman. I want to make man put themselves in a trouble, you know. Pack up the thing them and come out of my house. No! Come on. Come out of the place. Take the man going. One. My box, your finger down his head. Come on, money. Yo. You see them girl, man? You see them girl? Yes. What do me go put myself in a trouble now? Yo. I tell you, you even know my mind, I tell me for the end. You don't even know. 50,000.
Look how long me call you. You know how long me call you? When you come up here effective immediately, because I could have dead up here, dead. And me call you how long and now get you.
And the reception I remember me do man. They see me call them but me have father now still, me calling right now.
Come,
alright?
hurry up, because me have something important to tell him. Just come find down a station. Hurry up and come
What?
down here. Yeah, me just come find down a station. Hurry up.
Me have father.
Alright.
Where's the really going now with that London station business? What going?
You say, I want it fire. You say, I want it, but from his here, baby, madam, no, she don't like me, you know. From his here, girl, him know she don't like me.
What going now?
She come here, come beat me off. And then I'm done so. I go on station, I come and report, but hey, you say, I'm Mr. You know. The baby mother come beat me up.
What?
Because I stop lay up on her hand. Because if it almost turn over a pot and burn up herself in the kitchen, one little stops on the girl come and tear off my skin, all type of things, you know, and see my skin swell up and wheel up. I'm not done, you know, done this, so me and warn you, you can't see, I never
Tell her
warn
about
you.
the warmonger. I said you love fight me, you know.
All the thing me do at school, a child, and the girl come over and create one heap of excitement, you know, once when anybody man look and a laugh. A big old house tumble down for me over here. I don't talk to you, because
Right, that's alright.
Because your fault.
Alright, me go. I'll check her and ask her why the whole, what she a go on so. But you call police already though.
What you mean?
But they lock up our backside, man.
You're
They
supposed to
lock, just
lock
press charges
What
and
you
me
mean
lock
if
the
me press
backside.
charges? But me don't press
Fine.
charges, there aren't any more to press, just wait.
Sorry about that. Come go massage you.
It doesn't matter that you talk and you're fine, then make sure say massage, right?
Massage you with pain one time. And if I can do some hard, this slow. You know, look for me. I want you to behave yourself, you know. You see it?
Yeah.
You see because of your mouth, you see your mother there? Your mother get locked up, right?
Yeah.
Your mother get locked up because of your mouth. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so here we have to go do now. We have to go up on the road. Look for me. Look on me. I have to go on the road, right? So you go stay here and you and I need to be friends. You hear me? Alright. You see the soon come.
Hey Lily, how are you?
And so far there.
Come here, hey. Come here,
We best picture because you met my mother end up in a jail.
But your mother beat me up, so she ever end up in a jail. Yeah, your mother beat me up.
If I lick me, my mother wouldn't lick you because of you first.
But I never want the hot food in my pot burn you. I stop you because I try to scold you. Because I know why you do the same thing again and get hurt next time. What if I do the next time to stop you? You know why you get hurt, baby? Last time I stop you. I never stop your heart, you know? I never stop your heart. You never have to tell your mother. See, they make your mother come beat me up. And your mother gone to jail because she's a warmonger. She love war too much.
Not that being a sticks. When I grow up back, I'm gonna lick you back.
Like mother, like daughter. Sassy much. See, I cannot give me in your bag. Where's your tablet? Go for your tablet or what some cocoa melon.
No.
Yeah, man, because you know me care about it, but you know me just give you a little stop because I know when you hurt yourself, baby. That's
Me a come.
Don't be mad at me. We can grow past this. Go get your tablet so we can play together.
No, wait, then I have to go there. I get a drive, can go for a yard. Somebody call me auntie. Go see the auntie.
Auntie, who's it?
Come on.
The auntie.
Alright, bye bye, Leo.
Who they here?
Hello. Hello, good morning, officer. How may I be able to assist you today?
Good morning, I'm Tafaza Morgan from the Silo Police Station.
Mm-hmm.
I'm here to talk to you about Leah.
Okay, come on inside, ma'am. Come on inside and have a seat. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Say no, Leah not eat. But Leah and my little cousin. And the truth, our mother they are prison. She not eat and thing.
So what? So other than that, what would you like me to do about it?
You know, mother like if I can drop the charges off for her because, you know, it's rough.
Okay, well, for the sake of the baby, I'll definitely take it into consideration.
Okay.
I'll drop the charges because we don't want the baby suffer because we're big people, so we can't forgive and move on. We can't forgive and move on and just call it a day.
Yeah, that's something.
Yeah, because move on because she's a good girl, so. You can, thank you so much for the information. And you can follow me. I'll show you your way out.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you, and same to you, and thank you for stopping by. Yeah, I'm gonna leave you, little girl, so because this girl just.
So shall it be, yeah. So shall it be, yeah. Oh, go on, go on.
Yeah, my head kinda hurt me, really.
Me tell you, if you take me off of your head as me walk out the door, so your mind just dead. Me just step on your head, so. Which part you think about? Down your head, down your so?
Two of them.
two of them.
You know, I love it two of them because you have a beautiful mind.
Alright, so. Okay, girl, I'm gonna drop off a while ago and stuff for check him back. So.
No, I feel not fear, babe.
No ad fail, mommy. All you want is a good injection in your mega section. And you will get the correction. All of your pain and all of the idiot gone.
Only time hot on top of
You want the vitamins. Yes! You know idea, yeah.
You take that seriously?
Look, I can't take pills smartly, love pills don't smartly. I realize why you not breathe yet.
What are you talking about?
That is it.
What are you talking about?
That is it. That is it. Alright, alright.
Man, I heard what you're trying to want one pill.
Alright, how are you happy now?
Yeah, stress me out.
That is it. Alright, stress is something good and something bad. Alright, let's see how good they are now. What? One pill. Alright, one get pill for him. So you're the farmer then?
Maybe like a breakfast to eat or something.
Well, this man, this one look how police girl on the road and say she asked me for me that I'm that cousin.
Yeah.
So she said she want to come up. I'm sending her up still, but it look like she not too bright, like forced thing.
Like she just started.
She just start and she know we say I have a gun, so she hold the gun on for herself and I tell
no, exactly.
But have to take it from him. No, they have to take it from him because she have a gun. Throw down for himself so. I said no, cha.
No,
but then get that little go put her from.
They force the one then I force, you know, so.
I'm mad, she am mad out. Anyway, just go link you. She link you?
Yeah, she come link me. I don't tell her but maybe she finish talk. They come link me and ask me to drop the charges against you know who.
Well, me a cockroach and me no response in a foul fight. Do you want to know? And you dare take a lick them. Because when that girl that lick me.
She beat up me.
She lick me too already, you know.
You should have defended.
She licked me already.
You don't love me, babe. You should have defended.
No, listen to me. When Warmonger lick you, you know, you can lick. Warmonger love lick.
You know, once a girl deal with me, embarrass me, I tell you, you know, once people might look at
nobody can feel no way about it because he's big and thick like a cow.
if people then come on and knock pan and laugh off of me, you know, big embarrassment.
Alright,
Almost,
but anyway, in the behind bars now, are you fi decide if you want show leniency, show leniency. If you want make him tan, then I wrap down there.
I have to, because I don't want Leah suffer. You know, they're innocent.
That's the only part, yo. You see, if I never went in a shop and do what I do in the shop, they won't come out. But I don't regret my daughter still. That's the only good thing.
You know,
come out of warmonger.
You know, me love her. You know, so I don't hate her mother. I just have a big people and we have misunderstanding sometimes. But I forgive her more.
But you know, I go warn her. I go warn her and tell her, say, your dainty body is not for her to brutalize and beat up. I go carry her go down at the shooting range.
Yeah.
And I go try make her apply. If you want life for your hand. So when warmonger come, you shoot her in her foot.
No, I don't do that. Maybe forgive her.
No, listen now. If she come to beat you again, you have to defend herself.
Yeah, that's
you shoot her on her foot and she jump on her foot, you get to lick her back, you put on the gun, you know, but it's going straight through. Yeah. BAM! You go kick him down like that. No, because when you deal with you, mama, when we want to look like loving in our night, every time they every touch me touch you, yeah, oh. And the most we see you cry when we making love. And the first we see a ball. Nah, man, we can't manage it, you know. But we can beat you again. Because we love when you make it. Ow! Ooh! Hey! Ooh!
No, you're thump her in her back. You see her back, right? Just wait. Not afraid of her, you know? Not afraid of her. But I forgive her.
Well, if I forgive her, then you let her out then.
You accept one apology now.
Alright. You're not fix up that day. Anyway.
Yeah.
I get ready to go up on the road. Because I know all the money thing go. Christmas and money. Spending. Everywhere you go, spending. I'm going to tell you the lending. I'm try to collect some money out to me. Alright, so I'm soon come there.
You know, I love money, babe.
You love money?
Yeah, things are in your house. You know what I'm saying? You love your belly, you know? Remember good. Remember good, man.
You love in your belly more.
Yeah, me know, but you still love your belly.
In your belly.
Yeah. Bust it dance again, babe. Bust it dance.
Dance, I'm gonna dance, I'm gonna go.
Hello?
Hello.
We can come.
Hi. Yes, you can.
No worry yourself, man. You're not come to fight them.
It's nice to see you, ma'am.
Boy, you don't even know how I'm glad come out of this cell there. Anyway, I come for really though. I really come to apologize. See,
Really?
everything will be ever done. But actually, you don't even understand. I have a hard life growing up as a kid. You understand? I grew up and see my father beat me, ma. One bag of something, so when you take up me, put in my head, say, anybody put them for my daughter or nobody for me again, I got defend me. You understand? My stepfather did big and thick, so I didn't want to lick his sitting, I couldn't manage him. So even if me try the same thing, he lick me over, I can't over this, so I can't do almost, you understand? So, I'm really sorry for him though, and tell you something. Real, you see my daughter now, I'm very overprotective of my daughter. And your mother, you must know that.
Yeah, I can relate.
I'm really overprotective of her. So when she come and tell me that she now come back over she father and because of the car, my head just chip. And I say, you know what, I'm sure that. But you don't even know, I get on this, yeah. But I'm really sorry, I hope you can accept my apology.
I have already forgiven you, and I definitely understand where you were coming from, because probably if somebody hit my baby and you know, when I just hear it at first, in the moment, probably do the same thing. You know, but we're big people, we can't grow past that.
Yeah, I'm sorry, man.
And my apologies
Anybody
too.
this year will just tell me, you know, say, maybe
Yeah,
brush
man.
them fear, I understand? So any girl or boy feels to them bad this year, me brush them fear, know yourself.
Well,
I'm
that's
sorry, you know what?
problem,
I really want to come back to me that.
Yeah, I'm glad you're here. Oh God, give me a hug. I'm glad you're here for Leah. That's the most important thing. Give me a hug, girl.
I know I'm tired, we can't tell up.
I know. It's glad to see you in good spirits and all of that. Don't worry about that, man. That's how it is.
I'm sorry,
Things
man.
do happen.
Yeah, I'm pleased. Tell fire for me, sorry. I'm love fire, love you and thing. I'm hope we can move on from this.
I'm in love with Leah. Oh God, I love Leah so much. She's such an amazing.
Just, if you stop her, you stop her if you hurt her.
And I didn't intend to do that either. But I'm sorry again.
So, me go back, come. Can't wait to see that little girl.
Oh
So,
God. Oh, they have to see you, man.
yeah, me see you next time. Next time
Alright,
you
take
come
care
here.
now.
Alright.
Yeah, so it so smell nice, girl. This ass. Yeah, smell nice. So I then call it warm on the coffee throat now. Girl, you know me. What? Come on,
Go
let's
ahead,
kitchen,
kitchen,
baby.
go
Come
ahead,
on,
girl.
kitchen, yeah.
One play with the topic, go on.
Alright.
When they call me one manga for now, girl, you know, so one somebody say, eh, I'm ready for jump
You
in
know
their
that.
face.
Like a jump. Like a jump.
No, I'm a picnic, so.
Yeah, but no, how
But that's
others
nice pass.
think. Yeah, that's a nice pass. We're moving forward now. So you're already girl, and you're already do your ear, girl, you can do your, so you know where you go, girl, do your ear.
Me have my brain already, you know.
Yeah, girl, you know this coming in appreciate and something, nah, kill it, you know it go already. You know I go, come man, we started a nice for discount for you.
They can get
Yeah,
cock soup
yeah.
one way. Cock soup, I don't see no cock soup.
Well, alright, we go feet and come back.
Leah? Well, I'm sit down for the tablet, my pot burn, and if you turn over on me, I don't want to turn over on you. You want it close to me?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna have with me. My God. We know, man.
Well, because my friend girl was there, we got to see what happened.
Yeah, go on easy. So
When I say you can't beat up you. You remember when me used to up here you beat me up. Me know me not take no more you lick. You know murder you pay you could yammed you.
No, your girl you're bright.
Right?
No girl can't beat me.
Why?
One chosen, no girl can't beat me. You're bright.
You don't beat up every time you get up here you push you. Beat up me know you can't beat up me again. You can't beat up me again.
Girl, I don't feel you. Come out the house so can you piss me off. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on the house, girl. Come on. Just come on.
You look good. Yammed you.
Come on. Come on. Right. I don't beat me. Get that.
How that? Come in now.
Come celebrate. Girl, celebrate, girl. You know if badness and the goodness come on.
What we are celebrating, bro?
Long life and prosperity and best of friendship. Your legs. Oh God, girl. What about the day I see you now? God, yeah, girl.
Me told you you're still in the boat.
Oh man, cheers to long life. Hey, girl.
You come for the right time still, because you look more welcome to me, because
I miss her. Oh God, I'm going to see her. Girl, cheers again. Girl, Maria say, no, you're a good girl. You?
Nobody knows of them.
Oh, girl, I know you got my back, girl. You know you got my back.
Just want to know that.
So I'm going to keep this close.
Why? Anyway, but
Real nice, girl. Let's talk about this. Girl.
this kind of case weird.
You know, sometimes too, they make them out for them, you know. You know, sometimes. Iron, man, iron. Nice, man. Well, poor, right way. You have to come and see bathroom here. Yeah, come. Take your time, man. Come. And me can't go buy more shopping, I can be a bra, girl. Me and you are bra. Yeah, me so come. Fingerprints, roads.
Ready?
This is thing I'm buy down so much stones and I can't back down right now.
It no work.
Nah work. It's a very effective echo and it not select. It's expensive. Almost $2,000.
Apart from business, that's why China then come down.
There's a China. It's not a China.
Where you come from, you say?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Miss, you're being arrested for attempted murder. Anything
What?
you say or do can be
No,
used
wait,
against you
nobody,
in the
wait.
court.
Babe, that's enough. I get a liar.
What's your
I want to. May I come down Sunday? May I come down?
Browning. Come on, man. I walk past me, man.
You really want to call cause
You know if you still have me, man. Come on, man. I all talk, man. That's why they there wait for a set time to see you. You know, so I want to run a quick match now. So it's the money me I wait for right now, you know. To go get something to go eat a shop car. I just chop off one piece of work with somebody, so if somebody will carry, give me a money. And I will buy something at a shop right there and eat and then run one match. Somebody can shoot for me.
Shoot for you? Right now, I don't want to hear nothing about shooting or TikTok or nothing. You know what happened to me? Since what you do? My man find out, say me have him bank card, I draw how much money off it, and I send you up here lion and you know give me it back? Him find out and him show me all time place right now. Listen to me.
It was just a misunderstanding. Why you can't just give me another chance? Just
another chance, misunderstanding. Right now, my friend had me a catch me.
I know if you go. I want big match me going in and money have to come shoot for Brownie. And you have to me here come from, you know. And you know that thing, you just come shoot for me. So you gonna live with the man again?
No. The boy kick me out and awesome to go live with TikTok, and that him tell me say must make TikTok put me up. Cause I have money and spend
money on TikTok, so if he put you out, you don't have to worry about it.
I never my bank card, no never say the bank card. So.
Yeah, but me I say, if he put you out, you don't have to worry about it because...
I'm phone mash up.
The phone mash up?
Yes. See you.
So you go shoot for me? Can you shoot me on your friend's phone?
Yes.
Alright, let me see what time now.
But you know, you know me I go do?
12:16.
No, listen to me.
By 12:30, me think me dey on the live.
Which part you shoot?
Over my yard, man, because you see, under the tree, they so always give me a good vibe. You see, anytime I dey on my veranda in my room, the people they not really shoot for me. But you see when me dey out I do like when some of my people must see nature, like they love that, so out there me I go.
Alright, wait, so 12:30?
Yeah, man, 12:30, 1 o'clock the latest.
Don't worry, my father. Me I go shoot for you, man.
I believe in you. I'm sorry for me do other day.
Man, no worries.
Okay, I make it up back, man. Because I win and sit and them draw for money, me I can flash.
Yeah, man. No problem. Me I go do the live and direct, man. Alright.
Alright, my side, we just a check in. Yeah, Mario, big up. See you check in. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Top up the screen as a giant. Yeah, man, we see it. Who that? Kim. Alright, Kim. Respect for your road. Respect. People no follow Kim, you know. Yeah, man, show her some support, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, bless up. All go on. Big up. Alright, top up the screen. Yeah, man, top up the screen. Jordan, alright, Jordan. Big up. Respect for life up alive. Respect. Yeah, man. Respect for your like. Alright. Hold on, them people. Hold on. Yeah. Where the back side I go on?
No, man. What I want superstar?
Yeah, man.
Daddy, I'm going with your live yesterday. I'm bearing up on them, see a live run up and down.
No, somebody thief my phone, bro. Me tell her up on the live me there, you know. I turn my back, you know. You see me and I tell the people, them say, yo, send a lion. Me nah look on just send a lion. And as me I go bust to dance and also, as me I go look around and tell the people, them say, people, me I go dance, see lion, me I go bust to I skank them. As me I go look around to tell them that. When me look around, me no see phone.
You know something of some prank you do because I see you up on the live and you turn around and I see your phone flick up so. And then, me I say, how are dog do? Is a 360 I give you around the place or something? Yeah, let me see phone in live end so. I say, no man, I disrespect. Because normally when you're any live, you normally say...
So you ain't showed to me?
Of course, you see me and me there on the live, I said, be a diamond and
so I didn't see it. I want me to turn my back, you do it?
Yes. I be a paper crane, I just make... When me see live...
You, man, but
yo, John one star. Between me and almost 10 guys, you know? Me draw my friend account, man. You know what time I recharge? About 5 times I recharge, man.
Yo, me there still, man. Me just there, me just walk in and when me reach. Cause right now it's a phone and mad me out.
It easy, me dad. take it
I
easy.
yo, I lose my account and now I have to get if me get back a phone, I have to start back all the way from zero.
No, I'm out prayer,
I
man.
reach far with this today, man.
So you go. Look at more again, you see me?
Alright.
Alright, big up.
You know, you know, link out there in the street, you think you could have find out who take my phone or something.
The only people that can call right now are more FBI. You know, say, then the people the only business are
Yeah,
scamming money.
my phone, you know, say, my brother that tell me to put check up on my phone and I ain't do it.
I bet say if I did some big
I
money there. Alright.
Alright, now, yo, my phone has stressed me out.
Yes, we made it to the end of the movie, you know. Still alive because you're watching CM Still alive and no man curse, God bless you. We don't know the line still, but I say go. But anyway, little one there, big one there, all here behind the camera in our
Papa, allow me now.
our
Ciao.
be soon take our way. Anyway, remember, share, like, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Say, Papa is saying none of you subscribe, share, and like. And please, bring it to 100K or more.